Tim Ward here with the head coach of the Canton Coach, Coach Sawyer. First off, welcome to Mesa. Week one, little hectic, but we do things that's kind of expected. Aside from football right now, just week one, the excitement, everything's over with. How are you feeling right now?
Man, I feel good because I'm a part of this league, and I just had fun. I know Rome wasn't built in a day, and I know it takes time to build a good program like the Birds. And I want to thank my opponents for having the patience on us, but I feel wonderful about the league. We're gonna keep working hard.
Okay.
I look forward to future team.
Football-wise, with all three teams, they all show flashes and show spurts. So there's something there.
Yeah.
So I guess I personally want to tell you, don't be encouraged. It's just the first game. Just try to you know how they coach, but just each week it'll get better. Just right now,
Yeah.
keep the kids encouraged.
Okay.
But on all three games, I'm sure there were different players, different plays that made things work. But to you, like, let's just say with the 18 game, what was one of the game changes or something? That big monster you got, number 44 out there.
Yeah, number 44. He's a good player. I got to build up his conditioning. And number 21, he's a good player for us. He actually starts at running back for the middle school up there too, at Nichols. And for my C team, Money, number 29, he's a good running back for us. He's an older player, 8. And number 7, PJ, he's a good player as well. And for my B team, actually, they held my star back out because he was late. That was our fault. But we are encouraged by center and middle linebacker Momo Thomason, number 1. And we got a good quarterback, number 18. And my line holds blocks for him, at least a second. But, Coach, I want to thank y'all for giving me an opportunity and a chance to play in your league. Once again, I want to thank the coaches. And I had a great time today. I'm going to take this whooping like a man.
All right, Coach, man. Go get you some rest, man.
God bless y'all. Thank y'all, guys. I really mean it.
All right.
Man.
MSP.
Okay.